Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the Chromecast and switching the TV to the correct HDMI input. That's essential so the device broadcasts its setup signal. Once done, make sure your mobile is on the same Wi-Fi network or has Bluetooth enabled because the app uses one of those channels. Open Google Home, tap the plus sign, then Set Up Device. This tells your phone to search for the Chromecast and establishes the initial handshake required to enter pairing mode. You'll see a code on the TV after the app finds the Chromecast. Match that code in the Google Home app to verify you control the right device. Then choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password, because Chromecast needs network access to stream and update its firmware. If network issues arise, use guest mode or Bluetooth as an alternative. Also grant necessary permissions, location and local network, so the app can detect and maintain the connection during pairing. You finish by waiting for the setup confirmation and then testing casting from a YouTube or Netflix app to confirm functionality. This proves the link is live. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button for about 25 seconds. This clears corrupted states that block pairing. If problems persist, restart your router, phone, and Chromecast in sequence to clear network caches, because simple reboots often restore discoverability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.